Everyone and welcome to Lockdown Learner. Today we are going to start with the coding series. So जैसा कि हमने डिस्कस किया था कि कोडिंग सीरीज में हम क्या करेंगे, हर एक टॉपिक से 10 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. सो पहले हमने जो टॉपिक चूज करा है वो है हमारा एरे. ओके, सो एरे के आपने थाउजेंड्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे, जैसे गीक फॉर गीक्स हुआ, हैकर रैंक हुआ, तो काफी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं एरे के. तो उसमें हम इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन करेंगे जो कि प्लेसमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी इंपॉर्टेंट होंगे और कॉलेज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी. ओके, सो हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है फाइंड द मिसिंग नंबर. सो इस क्वेश्चन में हम क्या करेंगे, एक हमारा सीरीज ऑफ एरे होगा जिसमें हमें मिसिंग नंबर फाइंड करना होगा. सो लेट्स सी, लेट बिगिन. सो हमारे पास एक एरे है ARR. सो कॉन्टिन्यूअस है, लाइक वी आर हैविंग लाइक 1, 2, 4, 5. So n we are having is number of element, we are having 4. Now from here you can see like the missing number is 3. So how to find this? So what you are going to do is you will like try to like compare it, like for int I equals to 0 and like comparing with like some num which are going to start with num, like array is equal to that or not. If not equal to that is a missing number. Okay, so that approach is like old approach. Like we are coming with a new approach which you have studied in mathematics also, how to find the natural numbers. So we are having this approach here. So let's see this. So we are getting here like array, and we are getting here like number of elements in an array. So inside array, suppose we are having 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, same like, and we are having 4. So what we are going to do here is like you are going to do this sum of n natural numbers. Okay, so you already know like we are having the sum of n natural numbers is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we are having n natural numbers is 4 according to you, but what we are going to do is we are going to modify this sum underscore n equals to n plus 1 multiply by n plus 2 divide by 2. Okay, so most of the students are doing with this approach and they are getting the wrong answer and then they are getting confused. So I told you like this right approach, because like suppose you are having you have to find out like a missing number. So we are having here like if you count that missing number, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are having five like those five numbers we are having. So what we are doing here, we are finding the sum for 4. We are finding like 4 plus 4 plus 1 and slash 2, it's like 10. It's the sum of four natural number, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. But what we have made a change is this. It's like 5 into 7. Okay, it's like 4 plus 1 5 and 4 plus 2 8. Oh, 6 sorry, it's a 6. Okay, 2 3 da, so we are having 15. So first 5 natural number sum is, you can see here, is 15 we are having. Okay, so we have modified this thing because some of the students are facing issue in this. So let's begin with the dry run and the explanation of the program. Okay, so as you already know, like the line I have changed, not try to run this line. I have changed the line is sum underscore n equals to n plus 1 into n plus 2, and then we are having divide by 2. Okay, so this is our modified sum underscore n. Okay, so now what we have to do is, what we are going to do here is we are going to traverse the array till like n minus 1, and we are going to subtract that from this. Okay, so after dealing with this like sum underscore n, so what we are getting for this is this array value, like sum underscore n we are getting here is 15. So you can calculate also. Okay, so sum underscore n value is 15. So for like see, like when I is 0, so sum underscore n equals to 15 minus the first element is 1, so we are getting here is 14. Now sum underscore 1 value get updated to 14 when I is 1, so sum underscore n equals to 14 minus 2, because on ARR of 1 we are having 2 and we are getting here is 12. Okay, so Now what now at I equals to 2, so we have to do like sum underscore n equals to 12 minus 4. So 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay, for I equals to 3, and this is our last iteration because we have to go till n minus 1, which is 4 minus 1 and which is 3. Okay, so on the second I equals to 2 iteration, we are getting 8 as a sum underscore n value. Now what we are going to do, 8 minus 5, so we are left with 3. So what we are doing, like after dealing with this for loop, we are returning the sum underscore n value, and what we are getting sum underscore n value is 3. Basically the 3 is our missing number. Okay, so our array got completed when we got like 3 is a missing number. So you can do with the take multiple examples and do and run this program. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Kindly do subscribe to